Hello students, this is a quick walkthrough of the worksheet that you are supposed to do. Now let's start with question number 1. Now if you see both the examples, it's already solved for y. So either I can substitute the value of y from equation 1 to equation 2 or from equation 2 to equation 1. Suppose I am substituting the value of y, which is 2x minus 1, in the second equation. So what I'll get here is, in place of y, I'll write 2x minus 1, and the right hand side of the equation, I'll write it as it is. Now to solve the equation, just shift the smaller x term to the left, so the number will go to the right. So I get here 2x plus x comes to the left, it will become minus x, plus 4 minus 1 comes here, it will become plus 1. 2x minus x is x. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the value of x I got is 5. I need to find the value of y. What I have to do is just substitute this value back in the first equation. So replace value of x equal to 5. So I have here y equal to 2. In place of x, I'll write 5. So 2 times 5 minus 1. So 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 1 gives me 9. So the answer for the first one is 5 and 9. Let's have a look at equation 2. Now equation 2 is almost similar. Both the equations are solved for y. I can substitute value from first equation to the second. Let's do the same thing. The value of y in equation number 1 is 9 minus 2x. This value will go in place of y in the second equation. So replace this y by the value 9 minus 2x, and the right hand side will be x minus 12 as it is. Now to solve this equation, I'll shift the smaller term. Now plus 1x and minus 2x, minus 2 is smaller, so I'll shift minus 2x to the right to avoid negative sign. So since the x terms are coming to the right, my constant minus 12 will move to the left. So 9 will stay as it is. Minus 12 comes to the left hand side, it will become plus 12. X will stay as it is. Minus 2x comes to the right, it will become plus 2x. Now 9 plus 12 is 21, equal to 2x plus x would be 3x. I don't want 3, so I'll divide both sides by 3. So I get my value 7 equals to x. So value of x equal to 7. I got the value of x. Now I need to find the value of y. Now to find the value of y, put this value back in the first equation. So y equals 9 minus 2 times x. So value of x is 7. So I'll write here 7. So it is 9 minus 14. So value of y will be y equals minus 5. Okay. Now the first and second question were almost similar. Let's have a look at question number 3. Now in question 3, if you see that the first equation is not solved for y. We have both x and y together, whereas the second one is solved for y. So I don't have to do the working here. I can use this value in the first one. So I'll substitute the value of y from the second equation. Okay, value of y is 2x minus 8. This value goes in place of y in the first equation. So x will stay same, plus value of y is 2x minus 8 equal to 1. X plus 2x is 3x, minus 8 equal to 1. Shift minus 8 to the right hand side, you will get 3x equal to 1. Minus 8 comes here, it will become plus 8. 3x equal to 9. Divide both sides by 3. I get x equals 3. I got the value of x. Now I need to find the value of y. Same thing. What you will do is put the value of x equal to 3 in the second equation. So y equal to 2 times, in place of x, I'll put the value 3. So 2 times 3 minus 8. So y equal to 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 8. My answer is minus 2. Now let's come to example 4. Now in example 4, if you see value of y is already given to you, y equal to 2x. So if one of the variable is already the subject of the formula, so I can use that to solve it. So I'll use this value y equal to 2x. So the value of y 2x we will substitute here in the second equation. Now it is 2 times y, so you need to be a bit careful here. So write here x equal to 2 times, what is value of y? Value of y is 2x, so write here 2x minus 9. X equal to 2 times 2x will be 4x minus 9. Now I need to solve this equation, so we'll do the same thing. The smaller x term will come to the right hand side and the constant minus 9 will go to the left. So minus 9 comes to the left, it will become plus 9. 4x will be same. Plus x comes to the right, it will become minus x. So 9 equals 4x minus x is 3x. You divide both sides by 3. So you get your final answer 3 equal to x. So it is x equal to 3. We prefer to write the unknown variable on the left. Now I got the value of x, I need to find the value of y. So we will put this value back in the first equation. So y is 2 times, so y equal to 2 times 3. So value of y equal to 6. Okay. Let's come to the last 2 examples. Now, if you look at this example, okay, both the equations are not solved for any variable. So now you need to select whether you want to solve for x or you need to solve for y. If you see here, x is not alone, it has a coefficient other than 1. So I'll not prefer solving this. If you look at here in the second equation, again x is not alone, so I'll not solve for x. I have a y here which has coefficient minus 1. I have a y here which has coefficient plus 1. So I'll better go for the one which is positive. So I'll solve for this y in the second equation. Let's find the value of y. So y equal to 18. If we shift 2x to the right hand side, it will become minus 2x. Now this becomes similar to the previous examples. Value of y is 18 minus 2x. This value of y should go in the other equation, which is the first equation in place of y. Now if you see, there is a minus sign, so you need to be careful with that. So you write 2x same minus value of y, I'll write in bracket, which is 18 minus 2x equals 2. Now, so 2x minus 18, minus of minus will be plus 2x equal to 2. So 2x plus 2x will be 4x minus 18 equal to 2. Shift minus 18 to the right. So you get here 4x equals 20. Divide both sides by 4. You get the value of x equal 5. Now I could have done the other way around also. It is your choice whether you want to find this value of y, make y subject in the first equation or in the second equation. It's going to be the same. Now put the value of x equal to 5 back into this second equation. So y equal to 18 minus 2 times value of x is 5. So 18 minus 2 times 5 is 10. So I'll get here y equal to 8. Now come to the last example. So here, this one is pretty easy. Now you have x here with coefficient 1, you have x here with coefficient 1. So it is your choice which x you want. So let's find the value of x from the first one. So we will shift 3y to the right hand side. So I'll get here value of x equal to 16 minus 3y. Now you will substitute this value 16 minus 3y, the value of x, in place of x in the second equation. So that's why we call it substitution method. So in place of x, I'll write here 16 minus 3y plus 4y same equal to minus 6. Now 16 same. 4y minus 3y is plus y equals minus 6. Shift plus 16 to the right hand side. I'll get here y equal to minus 6. Plus 16 comes this side, minus 16. Same sign you will add. So you'll get here minus 22. So the value of y is minus 22. Now I need to find the value of x. So put this value back in the first equation. So x equals 16 minus 3. Value of y is negative 22. So I'll write in a bracket negative 22. So I get here 16 minus, and minus will become plus. 22 times 3 is 66. So I add here. So 66 plus 16 will give me final answer 82. So this is how you solve equations, systems of equation by substitution method. See you.